In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. If you've ever used spreadsheets before, you'll feel right at home here. Smartsheet formulas follow familiar rules. You start with an equals sign, you reference columns by their names in square brackets, and you use the @row reference to tell Smartsheet you want the value from the current row. That little @row piece is the secret to building reliable, row-by-row calculations that copy down cleanly. Let's begin with addition. Click into the cell where you want your result, type an equal sign, and then enter your columns like this. Eichstrassers. Column @row plus column to @row. Press enter and you'll see the sum of those two cells from the same row. The square brackets must match your column names exactly as they appear in your sheet, including spaces. The @row keeps the calculation aligned with each row, so if you copy or drag that formula down, every row calculates its own values automatically. Now for subtraction. The idea is identical, just change the operator. For example, you could write budget @row, numbers @row. This is perfect for things like budget remaining, variance, or any situation where you want to take one value away from another. If the second number is larger, you'll see a negative result, which can be useful for spotting overruns at a glance. Multiplication and division are just as straightforward. Use the asterisk for multiply and the / for divide. For instance, you might calculate a total cost by multiplying a unit value by a quantity, or find an average by dividing a total by a count. Your formula would look like column row. Column B row for multiplication, or column @row, column B @row for division. Keep in mind that dividing by 0 isn't allowed, so make sure the value in your divisor column is not 0 or blank. A few quick tips will help your formulas work smoothly. First, make sure the cells you're referencing contain numbers, not text. If a cell has text or symbols mixed in, the formula may not calculate as expected. Second, remember the order of operations. Multiplication and division happen before addition and subtraction. If you need to control the order, use parentheses to group parts of your formula. Finally, after you create one formula, copy it down the column or drag the fill handle. Because you used @row, every row will evaluate itself correctly. That's it for basic math and syntax in Smartsheet. Start with the equals sign, reference your columns in brackets, use @row, and apply plus and posh to get the results you need.